the Pacific people, we've been left out. You know, all that has been, the attention that's given to us is millions that is poured into our Pacific people, to churches to get the check. Given KFC, come on, we have got diabetes, strokes, obesity that we need to deal with. No one has ever turned up to our families and said to them, we'll give you some money or KFC to take your metformin. No one has ever done that. Why now that they turn up and get our people without discussion of whether they have got any side effects, whether they have any anaphylaxis problem? No one has ever done that. But, you know, they turn up with money and jab our families with, give them KFC as if we're stupid, as if we don't have any money. I'm so sorry, but I just find this is absolutely ridiculous. Let's discuss with some, you know, with our doctors and our scientists, what is going on? Let's have a discussion rather than just shoving this through. I mean, you know, who knows? We might be canceled by just doing this. Thank you. And this is Justine. She's going to share.